Previously on Wandering Wagners. This fridge is starting to give us problems again.
How many volts? 0.0. So I'd say the cold killed my battery. Yeah. Trip keeps getting better. It's 10 p.m. There's water on the floor. Water pump is leaking. Why? In our previous video, we had a bit of a water leak from our water pump.
Yeah, very unfortunate.
Oh, what is this? Oh, my credit score's improved.
Congratulations.
I had taken a shower and I got out of the shower, I was getting into bed, and I saw water pooling up right down here where that towel's still there, actually.
Yeah.
I have to pull that out. And my immediate thought was, is the shower leaking? But the shower's there.
Yeah,
and
it's on the opposite side.
Yeah, it's on the opposite side. So I made everybody get out of bed.
Yeah.
Because I could watch the puddle get bigger as I'm standing there.
Luckily, I was not asleep. Otherwise,
Yes.
it would have been a very angry Lynn.
And we lifted up the bed and the water pump was leaking.
Yep.
Now we carry a spare. So we did pick up this one because this is what we've got and we really like it.
Right.
But we have a spare brand new in the box right there.
Right up there.
It's just not as good as this one.
Yeah, we've used that one for a short period of time and we went back to this style.
Yeah, so it's great to have a spare, but now we're home in our garage. It's 60 degrees in the garage, so it's just a much more pleasant working experience.
Yes.
Because when we found the leak, I just turned the pump off and then opened the faucet to let all the pressure off, and then just said, screw it, we're going to bed.
Yep, and then we just went to sleep, and that was that. We left it till now.
So now it's time to replace this. It's a big pump, but it's a very good pump.
Yeah, I mean, we've used the same pump since we got this RV, and we had it in the Airstream before this. Well, not the same pump. We bought another one and put it in.
And this uses these like quick connect fittings that just kind of slide in here and lock into place. And since we're already using them on the existing lines, I'm just gonna
You can save them for another time, maybe.
Right, because I'm just going to unlock the lines from the old pump, pull them out, swap the pump, put the lines in, lock it back down, and we're good to go.
Oh, there's Guy coming in. He just had his dinner, so he's all happy. Hot Tub is calling my name though. Back on task. There's the towel we shoved in there last night.
This like piece of foam I added at one point to quiet down the pump. Maybe this one will be not as loud.
Maybe. Pump is free.
The pressure switch in that one was starting to go anyways.
Yeah, I know. We were kind of thinking that one was on its way out for a while. Because eventually, like, we'd be sleeping and it'd go prime itself. We're like,
Or you turn the faucet on,
yeah.
you wouldn't have pressure right away.
Yep.
It is done.
Yay.
We turn it on and listen to it suck air for a minute.
You're right. Luckily, these all say, can be run dry. It's like, well, I sure hope so.
Spitting.
Yeah.
Got most of the air out.
Yeah.
Such a pain in the ass. But I'll open the faucet just a little bit. You can see how the variable speed of it works. So instead of running full blast, run slow. I can still hear air coming out of the faucet.
Yeah, I can hear air too.
And open it all the way.
Ramps up a little bit.
Variable speed pump is the best.
It is. It'll just take a little bit for the air to get all worked out. And then we should be good to go.
No leaks.
Yeah. I mean, that's the most important part, really.
It's only a $200 pump.
Yeah. This is the same pump that we had in here previously. We can link it below if you guys are interested. It's done well for us.
And it was, what, a 15-minute swap?
Yeah. Yeah. Very not difficult. I mean, for Mike anyways. He has all the tools.
Red
Weird.
tools are the best.
Oh, okay. Red.
And that's what makes the difference, is the color of the tool.
So if it was yellow, how long would it have taken?
Oh, at least 3 or 4 days.
Just, okay. All right. Yay. One problem solved. Now we can move on to the next one. I finally got to East Harbor. It looks like there's some other people here. The reason I got here by myself today is because I had to unfortunately attend a family friend's funeral today. So it kind of worked out because it was in my hometown of Port Clinton. So we're camping at East Harbor State Park, which is in Marblehead right up the street. So it worked out. Mike brought the Wraith here with the dogs, got it all set up. And then when that concluded, I drove out here myself. So now we are ready to have some fun. We've got some friends here. We've got Chuck and Sherry from En Route with Chuck and Sherry. We have the Fitches. They're supposed to be here. They're not here yet. And we have Uno and Val, Bill and Val Porter. We also have Sean Boyer here from Boondockin' with the Boyers. So we've got ourselves a little tight-knit group here, and we're looking forward to having a lot of campfires and a lot of good laughs and fun. Oh, we got Uno with the blower out. The wood wasn't catching. All right.
That's on low. I can't turn on high, you won't handle it. Blow you right up the feet.
Yeah.
This counterfeit wood won't light. Indiana wood.
Womp, womp, womp. Okay.
Oh, it's better than before.
Yeah,
for sure.
It is finally getting a little bit better.
Now, if this one doesn't work, I'm going to break out the whole Harbor Freight power.
Right.
Yeah, we have a three-way
You get that
competition.
side, I'll get this side.
I got to get her right here. All right. Ready?
The problem is it wasn't built like a log cabin.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Look at this, Dave.
She got a new boyfriend.
She's got a new favorite.
New favorite in town.
Just like it's called.
Oh, you got Guy there too. Look at that. You got both of them.
It's warm.
Oh, it is.
It's warm, but I don't think it's hot enough to start another fire.
Might be able to throw some leaves on there and get her going again.
Yeah.
Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, look
Did you
at
get the
that.
number for a room service?
Yeah, someone's there.
Nobody answered.
Definitely got a hot fire today. I mean, look at how bright white it is in there. That's crazy. So you did a fine job today, Mike.
Everybody's good at something. We all have a gift.
Yeah.
I mean, that's mine. Fire. There you go. Damn. Oh, it doesn't fit. What?
Womp, 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 womp.
Can's too tall.
You needed to be playing.
Womp, womp, womp.
Almost had
Yeah.
It was cool for a minute.
Well, it almost worked.
Anyway, show off Mike's koozie right there.
Just
it.
imagine
Yeah, I'll still
the top
use it without the
fits.
lid.
Look at that.
But the lid magnet's on. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
If it's a regular size.
It's just like a pack
Yeah.
out. They were kind of tight, and I was just like, let's get
The
them
remnants
real
of
quick.
breakfast.
Got a hold
It was delicious, but
Yeah.
it was hard to do with the wind, so I just kind of made it and ate it quick. Didn't get any video, but I did get a good campfire going again. So yesterday, well, let's back this up a little bit. Friday, we get here, we're having a good time. I had a couple too many beers, and I just didn't feel great. I just had a headache. I wasn't like my stomach. I just had a headache the next day. So I was just didn't really record too much video, but we did end up going out to eat at Cleats, which showed that. And then we went live here at the campground. So if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna tag that in the description and up above on a little tag. So if you guys wanna get on that, we're, you know, BSing around the fire with some friends, and Dave and Mike wanted to do a giveaway of some stuff that Dave makes on his 3D printer.
So we have an extra one of these holsters. I think what we're going to do is you have to call the phone. Uno's going to
That hotline.
The 10th person to compliment him on his mustache.
Wagner hotline.
Hi, honey. I think your stash is adorable.
Ooh!
That worked too.
I think I love you.
That was actually kind of fun. We had a lot of people calling our Wandering Wagners hotline, so if you guys ever want to call or text, you're more than welcome to do that. The phone number is in the description of every video that we put out. But today, I kind of wish we would just stay an extra day, because I really didn't get to go on walks or do anything like that. I was cooking, and then I was, you know, didn't feel very good, but that's my own fault. I mean, leave it in the comments below if you've ever been where I've been. Let me know the story behind that. So, I mean, that's just my fault. It wasn't anything crazy. I wasn't throwing up. I wasn't belligerent. I don't get like that. But that's usually why I just drink beer, because then you can drink a lot of them. But man, they were going down so easy. Overall, it was a great time. We were here with our friends, and it was a perfect way to have like this little misfit campout, is we kind of called it, because we're all a little misfitty a little bit. But it was amazing. Can't wait to do it again. Decided to drive Mike's little truck separate again, because it still had a bunch of firewood in it. That's all we got left. Not too bad. Not too bad. Even got a little fire going today. She want to be held? She blends right in with your coat. Aw, she's like, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, there goes the race.
All right, we'll see you guys.
It's going to the dump station.
See you
I'm
guys.
gonna head on out myself. All right, guys, see you later.
See ya.
Bye.
It's fun.
See ya.
Good time.
Next time on Wandering Wagners. You think you could take that bear in a fight, Mikey?
My Colt Python could.